Now we are going to discuss various combination of resistance. Combination of resistances. Various combination of resistance, that is, resistance is either series combination or in parallel combination. Series combination and parallel combination. Series combination, as we know that from Ohm's law, V equal to IR, where V is potential difference, I is current and R is resistance. Then after rearranging we get resistance equal to V by I, where V is potential difference and I is current. Okay, now suppose there are resistances. This one is R1, second one is R2, and third one is R3. R1, R2 and R3 and so on. These resistance are connected in series. In this case, in current flows in these resistances I1, I2 and I3. So if we want to calculate equivalent resistance, that is V equal to IR. V by I equal to R. Okay. Now equivalent resistance for this case becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to N. This is the formula for calculation of equivalent resistance in series combination of resistance. For parallel combination, of resistance, this one is potential connected in, suppose resistance is R1, second one is R2 and third one is R3, R1, R2 and R3 and so on. These resistances are connected in parallel. Now potential difference in this case is same. Okay, suppose V is potential difference and I current flows in the circuit. I current distribute in three parts, that is here in three angles. Okay, so from Ohm's law we know that V equal to IR, V by I equal to R 1 by I equal to I by V. Then equivalent resistance, expression for equivalent resistance are equal 1 upon R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 up to n. This is the general formula for calculation of equivalent resistance in parallel combination of resistance. Okay. This one is for parallel combination and this one is for series combination. Now we want to calculate equivalent resistance for the circuit given. Suppose here circuit given, this one is point B and this one is point A. Resistance 3 ohm and resistance for this case 20 ohm. These are parallel connection 9 ohm and 8 ohm. Now a third one resistance 6 ohm. This one is 6 ohm and this one is 4 ohm. From the circuit diagram, 4 ohm and 6 ohm are in series combination. 4 ohm and 6 ohm resistance are in series combination. So R dash, suppose equivalent resistance for this case, then R dash R equivalent resistance for series combination is R1 plus R2. So in this case R1 is 4 ohm and R2 is 6 ohm. Then R dash becomes 4 ohm plus 6 ohm equal to 10 ohm. Now this 10 ohms comes, and second case 9 ohm and 10 ohm are in parallel combination. 9 ohm and 8 ohm are in parallel combination. Then equivalent resistance R double dash equal to 9 into 8 upon 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. 9 8 is 72 upon 17. This one becomes your equivalent resistance. Then circuit reduces. And 9 plus 8 means 72 by 17. 72 by 17 ohm, and this here equivalent resistance comes out to be 10 ohm, and this one is 3 ohm, 20 ohm, point A and point B. Here resistance 10 ohm and 72 by 17 ohm are in parallel combination. Then equivalent resistance become 10 ohm and 72 by 17 ohm are in parallel combination. Are in parallel, so equivalent resistance R triple dash equal to 10 ohm into 72 by 17 plus 10 plus 72 upon 17 becomes 10 into 72 170 plus 72 divided by 17. 17 cancel. This becomes 720 divided by 242 ohm. Now this This is connected in series with 3 ohm. 3 ohm and 720 upon 242 ohm are in series combination. Then R4 becomes this resistance 3 ohm, and the resistance comes from 10 ohm and 722 by 17 ohm becomes 720 by 720 upon 242 ohm. Then series combination, they are in series, so equivalent resistance R4 becomes 3 ohm plus 720 divided by 242. This becomes 3 to the 6, 4 3 are 12, 2 1 3 2 6 7 26 upon 720 over 242. This becomes 6 4 14 upon 242. Now R4 dash is in parallel with 20 ohm, so equivalent resistance comes to be 20 ohm into parallel combination, so 20 ohm into 1446 divided by 242 over 20 plus 1446 242. Simplifying, we get equivalent resistance is 4.60 ohm. So this one is your question. Now in order to solve this question, first we take 4 ohm and 6 ohm, they are in series, so equivalent resistance is 4 and 6 10 ohm. 10 ohms and 9 plus 8 ohm, these are in parallel combination because current distribute from this point. Okay, then in parallel combination our equivalent comes to be 72 by 17 ohm. Then 10 ohm and 72 by 17 ohm, these are two in parallel combination, so R triple dash 10 into 72 by 17 upon divided by 10 plus 72 by 17 ohm. Then equivalent resistance comes out to be 720 upon 242 ohm. Now in third case, 3 ohm and this one are in series combination, so we have summed these values and this comes out to be 1446 upon 242 ohm. Okay, now this value of resistance and this one 20 ohm, these are in series. This 20 ohm and this resistance are in series, so we have multiplied these values, as since we know that for R equivalent in series in parallel combination 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, so R equivalent becomes 1 by R equivalent becomes R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2. For R equivalent, R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. So we finally got the values 4.60 ohm equivalent resistance between A and B.